Alrighty, 1998 Toyota Corolla VE, rear trunk, rear bumper, rattle can, spray can, paint job. It is now getting ready to get into clear coating, but I'm gonna do a final quick color coat, color sanding. I want to see how that works out. I got like 600 grit here, and I just want to. It's a little rough, so I just want to see how this is gonna look out if I just smooth it down. Just a tid. And I just want to see what will happen. I already know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be smooth. So the paint's gonna come out a little bit smoother. That's what ideally should happen, right? So I just want to put some 600 grit. Just a quick once over. Stay off the edges. There you go. I could use 1,000 grit. Alright, quick bam, a little bit here and there. I'm being conscious of how I'm sanding due to the fact it's a little bit of wet sanding. It feels like it's fixing the rain a little bit. Alright, so that's done. Let's move back to here. Drop these legs down a little bit. Wash you there. Raise you up. Okay. In fact, take it off the rubber block now. Go straight with the hand. Probably can't see me. That's okay. I forgot I had to hit this area over here. The right side quarter panel. Got a little run down here. that. Right. Bring these legs down a little bit so we can see what we're doing. Yeah, I'll bring it down. Okay, let's see here. See how that comes out. And I'm still conscious of my quadrant thinking here, right? See, I went X that way, and I'm going X this way. There you go. Now I'm clear coating. I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my Corolla that I had painted white. Good time to do that. Sounded good, we'll hit it. Brand new looking. A little tedious right now. Probably something I can do off camera, which I think I will. Just carry on. All right. Go this way. Man, this is really nice and smooth. Looks so good. I don't even they say, man, do I want to put clear coat on this thing right now? But I have shined this, I think I mentioned, with success in the past. I have buffed and shined this, but since I have one can of clear coat, one lonely can, I'm going to use it. I don't know how far I'm going to get with it, so I'm just going to work in sections. Meaning I'm going to get the top of the trunk done first. Yep. Yep, it's gonna come out nice and smooth. Everything else will be up to the hand. So made my spray finger be strong. Okay, so with all that being said, the wet sanding has been completed. I'm feeling very good with that right now. I'm just going to touch up a couple little areas, and we'll go right into clear coating, which will be bada bing bada boom. Okay, so let's go ahead and I got it. All right, so I'm going to swap it right now.